understanding the phrase toady to enhance your English skills. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss that will help you in understanding English expressions better. We are going to dive deep into the meaning, usage, and origin of the phrase toady to. So, whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, this video is designed to clear up any confusion and enhance your English skills. Let's get started. The phrase toady to is a verb phrase that is used to describe the act of behaving in a sycophantic or obsequious manner towards someone with the intention of gaining favor or advantages. A toady is a person who flatters or defers to others for self-serving reasons. So, when you toady to someone, you are essentially sucking up to them or brown-nosing. Now that we know what toady to means, let's look at some examples to understand how it is used in sentences. 1. She is always toting to the boss, hoping to get a promotion. 2. In this sentence, the person is acting in a flattering manner towards the boss with the hope of receiving a promotion. 3. He doesn't respect people who toady to him. He prefers honesty. 4. Here, the sentence is expressing a preference for genuine interactions over sycophantic behavior. 5. She's not the kind to toady to anyone. She stands up for what she believes in. 6. This sentence highlights a positive characteristic, showing that the person does not engage in sycophantic behavior and instead stands firm in their beliefs. The term toady originates from the 19th century, where it was used to refer to a charlatan's assistant. The assistant would pretend to eat poisonous toads, and the charlatan would then pretend to cure them, showcasing their supposed healing powers. Over time, the term evolved to describe a person who acts obsequiously or offers flattery to gain favor, which leads us to the phrase toady to. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this video has helped in clearing up the meaning and usage of the phrase toady to. Remember, enhancing your understanding of English expressions can significantly improve your communication skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Keep learning, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video.